And for those of you that will think my cream, oh, maybe she's talking about her product, maybe it's just for mixing, she will mix and then mix and say it's her brand. No, I don't do my product. I went to the school, I formulate from the start. I might not show you that once I've shown you, you will know. So this video I just want to show you that taking care of your skin goes a long way. And also I want to introduce to you my brand. My brand is not out. You guys should go patronize me, go support your girl. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring. And today I don't have any makeup on. No makeup. The only makeup I've got on is my lipstick. So I'm just gonna show you. You can see. So I don't have any makeup on. So that is it. That's just the trick. If you take good care of your skin, trust me, you have a fantastic skin. The younger our skin is, the more acidic it is. As the skin becomes mature, it becomes more basic. This shift from young to mature skin tends to turn on an enzyme that breaks down collagen. Also, genetic as well as external factors also trigger a lot of things on our skin. Things like our makeup, our sweat, external factors such as the environment and so on tends to affect the pH of the skin. So in order for you to work and balance your skin, you need to turn off this enzymes. You understand? So taking care of your skin goes a long way. For instance, you need to understand your skin. It doesn't necessarily mean because your skin is, you feel redness on your face or any part of your skin means you're sensitive. Now, for sensitive skin, you need to study your skin. It might be as a result of being stressed. It might be that the only solution for that redness might just be you applying some lotion to it. It just might be you applying a mild cream. Sometimes when our skin is mature, if you want to turn off this enzyme that breaks down collagen and makes the skin to become saggy and wrinkle on time, you have to stop using moisturizing cream that got fragrance. You might end up using just exfoliation. You might just end up using scrub. That is why I always stress on my channel that ensure you scrub your skin. Scrubbing goes a long way. It goes a long way. You guys don't know the benefits. When I start with my skin, I ensure I scrub from head to toe. And I've got my hand gloves that I use, and my hands sometimes on my face because my face is very delicate, so I'm very gentle with it. When you scrub your skin, you will get a perfect skin. You do this complexion I have, I didn't just get it overnight. It's a gradual process. And if you're using organic products, like initially I started using many cream, then I was stuck with Fair and White. Fair and White is an amazing cream. Before I now started my brand, using my brand. And my brand, you know, when you use a cream, what you want from that cream is that yellow tone. You can see my skin, that milky, you can see my hand knuckle. You want that milky, creamy yellow tone complexion that will stand out in the crowd. You don't want a pale complexion, you don't want that whitish complexion. No, that is not it. It's going to trigger other reaction, so it will make your skin to be plump. Like if you've got so much dry skin is, when you have dry skin, that means your skin, it will absorb more dirt. So you need things that will help hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, so that it will not trap dirt. So you need to understand your skin. Sometimes you might, when you are stressed, your skin might tend to be more oily. Basically what you need, like I said, you need scrub. You can just use something that has glycolic acid, beta hydroxylic acid, salicylic acid. You can use something like that just to help drain out this substance from your skin. Now, I'm not going to go in detail about the skin, the epidermic layer, or the one underneath, which is the dermic layer, but understanding your skin goes a long way so that you know the right product to use. My products are skincare friendly. I went to school. I did beauty therapy, then I did skincare. So beauty therapy, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually exfoliate, proper exfoliation, because when I was taught in my beauty therapy class, for you to start exfoliating your skin, first of all, you need to first wash your skin. When we are doing facial wash, we make sure we washed our face first, our client face first. We wash it. When you wash it, you damp it with a clean towel or a hand towel. You tap it and dry the skin. When you dry the skin, then you take a cleaner or toner to clean the face. When you clean the face, that way you are helping to open the pores and also to take out the dirt. And when you now apply the scrub to scrub your face, it works faster. And the scrub, in doing that, if you use a scrub that has food acid or like hydrochloric acid, what's it called, lactic acid, and so on, it will penetrate deep into the dermic layer to tell the skin that, you know what, start preparing to regenerate new skin cell. That's why you have your skin glowing every now and then. If you follow through, you can see my skin. I've not had any problem with my skin or any crack or any sore or anything of such. So you need to understand your cream, you need to understand your skin, and you need to eat the right product. Using the right cream works faster than those of you taking glutathione. You're just wasting your money, trust me. Yeah, you can take, but there are things that you can take that are much better. I tell my clients what they take, and when they follow through with my instruction, they get the amazing complexion. Now my product is available, so you guys can go get it. You can see, like I said, I don't have any makeup on, and my skin is, trust me, my skin is amazing. I'm proud of it. And a time will come, I might tend to go back to caramel. Like I said, I just want to try my skin product to make sure that I show to you guys that my product actually work. So I will be going back to being caramel complexion, as in brown skin. Organic product, it's a gradual process. Like when you premix is different from formulation. Like for you to formulate, you first of all write down your recipe. You will then do your formulation by a measurement. So when you premixing is also different because you already have a whitening base cream aside, and also you have the whitening oil or bleaching serum that you're going to add into it, and other whitening additive that can give you and boost whitening potency within 7 to 2 weeks to a month. But organic process is a gradual process, and within 3 months you should get a good result. Trust me, 1 month you start seeing visible result, but when you get to 3 months you get a good result. Your skin might not be white, but there will be changes on your skin. But for your skin to just change a little bit, and the person will be telling you, no, you have to wait 1 year. It's an organic product, this and that. The person needs to check his or her product, powder, the whitening additive, or things they are using. Probably that thing is fake. I appreciate you people coming and asking for me to do your cream. And for those of you that will think my cream, oh, maybe she's talking about her product, maybe it's just premixing. She will premix and then mix and say it's her brand. No, I don't do my product. I went to the school, I formulate from the start. I might not show you, there are the ones I've shown you, you will know. But my channel, I talk about skincare, I make it open so that you people will be free to make your choice, because it's your money, you're free to make your choice. And if you ask my opinion, I will tell you what I feel. It's left for you to now decide. I'm not going to force my product on you, but those people that have been buying, I've got loads of fantastic clients. When I do my product now, it goes within, trust me, I sell out immediately. So sometimes people will not see it on my website. I keep on day in, day out formulating product every now and then, because I make my product fresh. I don't just make product and just stock it, which I can do it and just stock it on the shelf, but I mix every now and then, and it goes quick because people know the benefit of it. So don't just think I mix and I now put it in the bottle to set to you guys. No, for those of you that have got that mentality, please erase it. I've got 2 certificates. I've got my beauty skincare, I've got my beauty therapy, and also I've got my skincare certificate. So, and I'm still gonna go for the advanced stage where you see all these products, like all these big brand, that you can actually formulate exactly what they formulated on that product that they put in that container. So don't go about imagining or thinking. If you're free to ask me questions, because it's your money, and I will feel the same to you. And people that have been my customer, they can testify to it. I might not show before and after, but I'll be open as a map IG soon, where I will be putting pictures of before and after of my clients, feedback from clients on there, so that you guys can see. I'm not that kind of person that likes showing off or doing all this kind of stuff. So I just like it simple. I've seen people that started doing YouTube, that started with a formulation. They will give all the ingredients, but once they start selling, they stop it, and people start bombarding them with a lot of insult and abuses. Because like I said, I'm just me. When I'm doing things, I'll tell you, I will show you. I'm gonna show you everything, so that tomorrow people will know after all you started by showing us everything. Now you're not hiding or holding some. So no, because this product I sought for it. No, I'm gonna show you, before I forget, I'm gonna show you this difference between Nigerian kojic acid they bought for me, and the UK kojic acid, the one I bought. So you will see the difference. So tell me, how will this cream work for you? So how will the skin not damage your skin? So people will say, oh, Snow White. And the Snow White is Thailand powder, and Thailand powder is halon powder that they put inside, and they'll be selling it to you. I said, oh, this is Thailand powder. You go, oh, this is Thailand, but it's gonna whiten your skin, not knowing that it's halon that is inside. You guys have to be careful, really careful. We got a tester that you have to test. When you formulate cream, you test and also check the lifespan of that cream. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. I just want to show you quickly that this is my natural, as in my face without makeup. I'm going to show you just a sample so that you guys can know. The only makeup I've got on now is just my lipstick. You guys can see I don't have any makeup on, so just want to show you. Yeah, if you use the right product and you follow through with my the way I mix or my own brand, if you use my brand, those that use my product, they know I've got returnees coming back, and those that are mixed for, they can also testify. You don't need to put too many serum for you to achieve the desired complexion you want. You don't need to put too much tube cream or gel or any sort for you to achieve the desired complexion that you want. Those people that mix and mix all kind of serum, skin free milk, action miracle, this and that and this, and they put it, and also different type of gel. They put glutathione injection, they put this and that, and mix everything. At the end of the day, trust me, your skin is just going to look like a barbecue or roasted chicken or turkey. So if you want to have a good skin day in and day out for months, years to come, for people that have been following me, you've seen a lot of improvement on my skin. So I take good care of my skin. My knuckle, I don't joke with it as well, as you guys can see. So it's very important. My products, I'm launching my products, so you guys should go patronize me, and it's affordable, and you will get a good and fantastic result from my product. And for mixing, my channel is all about skincare and how you can get the best out of using good product, using the original product. I talk in detail about your skin type and how to mix, how you can mix to achieve the complexion you want, how you can boost the potency of your lotion. And I'm going to be talking more on how you can also, I've done a video on how you can make your how I make my toner, scrub, black soap. I'm going to be doing that, and also lip gloss, which is going to be made available on my website. You guys should go patronize me. All these are organic, skincare friendly things I use. I come on this channel to tell you. I started with Fair and White, then I went ahead to do my own product. I studied this. I went and did 2 courses, which is beauty therapy, and also I did skincare. So I know the in and out about skincare. Got kit section, the single cream lotion, the face lotion. I've got the dark spot eraser, 18 or 24 karat glowing scrub, and as well as soap, and also body wash. That is, I've got the 18 karat body wash, I've got the 24 karat body wash. 24 karat means it's a super whitening, and it's skincare safe, so it's organic. All the products inside are all organic and fruit acid, which will help boost lightness and also make your skin to come out that have that milky. You can see my complexion have that creamy milky yellow tone. You want that yellow tone. That yellow tone complexion make you stand out in the crowd. As you can see, I don't have any makeup. Like I said from the intro, from the beginning, no makeup on. I don't have any makeup on, so, and my skin glow. I can go out like this without makeup. So taking care of your skin goes a long way, guys. Taking good care of your skin goes a long way. I'm just going to take this off. Yeah, I recently did this hair back. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been so supportive. You've been so amazing. Thank you so much. We're growing every now and then. For the new subscriber, my subscriber is really growing, and I want to say I really love you guys for this great and massive support. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video, and go and patronize me. And if I haven't uploaded my new brand, send me a WhatsApp or email me, or you can send me a DM on my IG. Follow me on my IG, guys. And thank you so much. I love you. Bye.